so you know, I've stopped doing line 22. I've been doing it for 2 years, and I'm going to jump into line 23 because I want to get through the main lines of data which I started back in 2011. So the data is going to go back to what I was working on back in 2012 and like the end of 2011, the beginning of 2012. And then I will probably go back to line 22 at a later date. I just want to get the main lines done because this is taking a long time to do this project. So line 23A. So the whole topic of interest is going to completely change from wormholes, okay? We're going to search for extraterrestrial genomes, SETG, nucleic acids, RNA, DNA, aliens, Wow Seti. So basically I found a bunch of evidence that we've had aliens on Earth, and I'm studying that in the next series, which is in line 23. So there's the new alien radio signal. So it's a new set of numbers, a new math equation. So I googled the numbers and I googled that answer, and this is what it brought up, was this alien data. So Carr prototype device decode alien DNA, search for extraterrestrial genomes, SETG. Flying instrument, NASA, European Space Agency, mission Mars 2018, ice brine soil samples, amplify detect nucleic acids, RNA polymers, isotopic signatures, keyword research, line 23, Wow Seti data. Google 0.9912, and this is the number that came up in the Wow signal. It was 112, and then 113 and 1. Okay, and this is the original Wow signal, 62GUJ5, and then these are the lines of data that are, you know, from lines 1 to 27. And this is the number that we're decoding, is 11211. And I'm not sure which one that is. Okay. So this is a thing here. January 9, 2012 is when I started working on this particular data, which is why I want to catch up with it, okay? Because it's 2 years later. Okay, so NASA funding, Carr and colleagues at MIT are developing a prototype device to decode alien DNA. A project known as the Search for Extraterrestrial Genomes, SETG. They hope to fly an instrument as part of a joint NASA-European Space Agency mission to Mars slated to launch in 2018. So that's kind of cool. They're going to look for alien DNA on Mars. Working with subsurface ice, brine, or soil samples, SETG would attempt to isolate, amplify, detect, and identify nucleic acids right there on Mars. If the DNA RNA is as we know it, then it should be able to detect it with this instrument. We hope, because it's costing millions of dollars to make it. Carr said. Sorry, I had to add that in. So that's from news.discovery.com, the website. And then another quote from another blog is seeking informational polymer structures of biogenic origin or chemical or isotopic signatures or enzymatic process. And that's from web.mit.edu. And that's about the SETG project instrument. Okay, so the data will continue in the next video. Thanks for watching.